Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how you can make this delicious couscous dish with chicken. For this dish, I use chicken, cinnamon, mint, saffron, chicken stock, carrots, onions, smoked paprika, fresh paprika, ras el hanout, and couscous. Prepare the couscous according to the instructions on the packaging, but what I did is instead of water, I used chicken stock. Set the couscous aside and cut the vegetables and mince. To season the chicken, and basically throughout this whole recipe, I use Ras el Hanout, which is a spice blend from Morocco, but is used throughout a lot of countries in Northern Africa. I also added cinnamon, saffron, and olive oil. Mix it and add carrots and onions. I added a little bit more spices and olive oil. Bake it in a preheated oven of 200 Celsius for about 50 minutes. While the chicken is in the oven, check on the couscous and fluff it out. Heat a pan over medium to high heat, add olive oil and cook the onions for about 2 minutes. Now add carrots and cook the carrots along with the onions for another 2 minutes. Add fresh paprika and cook it for an additional 2 minutes. Now add the smoked paprika. So here again, I use Ras el Hanout. I mix it with its vegetables and chicken broth. Now add the couscous. And mix it with the spiced vegetables. Lastly, add chopped mint and mix it through the couscous. By now the chicken is done, so I am adding it to the couscous. And there you have it. A delicious, wholesome, flavorful, and colorful dish. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.